Good day everyone. In today's video, we are going to attempt to solve the question on the screen. You can pause the video and try to solve it if you can do under 1 minute. Alright, we are told that we have an equilateral triangle. And one thing we know about an equilateral triangle is that the three angles inside that triangle are equal. The three angles of an equilateral triangle are equal, so it means that this is 60 degrees. This is also 60 degrees, and this is also 60 degrees. Now, another obvious thing again is that we have a small triangle here. Let's trace it out. This is a small triangle. Just follow my reading. Alright, we have that. Okay, that's a small triangle. So we can label this as A. Now, considering the red triangle, we can have sum of angles in a triangle to be 180 degrees. So that is x plus a plus 60 is equals to 180 degrees. So x plus a, subtract 60 from both sides of the equation. So we have 180 negative 60. X plus a is equals to 120 degrees. So let's label this as equation 1. Now, if you look at the other side of the big triangle again, we have another triangle here. Let's trace it out. Follow my blue ink. Alright. Okay. Yeah, so let's call this B. Now, considering the small blue triangle, what do we have? We are going to have sum of angles in the triangle to be 180 degrees. So y plus b plus 60 is equals to 180 degrees. So subtract 60 from both sides of the equation. Y plus b is equals to 180 negative 60. So we have y plus b is equals to 120 degrees. So let's call this equation 2. Now, if you look at equation 1 and 2, if we add both equations together, then we can address the value of the sum of x and y. So let's add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. Let's add up. So x plus y. So we have x plus y. That's what we are looking for. And a plus b. We have plus a plus b. Then we have 120 plus 120. That's going to give us 240. So the addition of equation 1 and 2 is giving us x plus y plus a plus b equals to 240 degrees. So we can label this as equation 3. Now, if we know a plus b, then we can actually find x plus y. Now, let's look at this straight line. Follow my green ink. This is a straight line here. Can you see my green ink there? Yeah, that's a straight line. Now, sum of angles on a straight line is equals to 180 degrees. So, and this is square. So this is 90. Each of the angles of a square is 90 degrees. This is 90. This is also 90. Alright, so let's take it. Sum of angles on a straight line is equals to 180 degrees. So A plus 90 plus B is equals to 180 degrees. So let's subtract 90 from both sides of the equation. A plus B, that will be 180 minus 90. So A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. Let's take this as equation 4. Now, if we substitute equation 4 into equation 3, substitute equation 4 into equation 3. So we are going to replace A plus B with 90 degrees. So what are we going to have at the end of the day? We're now going to have x plus y plus 90. Our A plus B is now 90. So giving us 240. So subtract 90 from both sides of the equation. That will be 240 negative 90. So the sum of x plus y, the sum of x and y, that's 150 degrees. Thank you for watching.